Now, within the financial markets, we have got markets have been classified into different markets. So financial markets is a platform for trading assets and securities. There are various types of financial markets. Most popular are stock, forex market, commodities market, derivative market, bond markets, money markets, and cryptocurrency market. For the purpose of our presentation, we'll be looking at about cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is basically a digital currency or decentralized currency that came up in 2008. A group of people or a person anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the market today, Bitcoin. In 2009, Bitcoin was commercialized and launched for public use globally. So Bitcoin is purely a peer-to-peer version of electronic cash that allows online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. So this particular form of money has evolved over time. Before we actually get to cryptocurrency, where have we come from? So money has evolved over time from barter trade, metallic money, paper money, plastic money, electronic money, and finally to cryptocurrency. So it is a form of money. It is a form of money that was developed in 2008 because of the famous world financial crisis that made people to lose confidence in centralized system. Therefore, the first decentralized currency that was established is called Bitcoin. Now, what are the features of Bitcoin? It's a global reserve. It's a global digital currency because that is now the mother of all currencies. Two, it is being supported by a very big serious technology called blockchain technology. So it runs on blockchain and is secured by cryptography that makes it hack-proof and fastest transaction mode. So it's a form of value storage. It's safe in terms of technology, and it's a decentralized finance. So cryptocurrency transactions are peer-to-peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. Therefore, few people cannot manipulate cryptocurrency market. Now, look at the growth rate chart from 2011 up to today. Now, when you look at this chart, you will notice and realize that the highest ever percentage were made during those days when its price was low. That was, we are looking at a period of 2011, and then where it made 1,600%. You look at 2017, 1,300%. And also one of the times that Bitcoin has also made a good gain is 2023, it made 156%. And 2024, it's made about 127%. Now, when you look at that table, it shows you the most profitable year in the recent times. Apart from those times, in the recent times, so the most profitable year for Bitcoin is 2023, not overly profitable, but because even in the past it was. But 2023, it performed better by 156%. So it actually made good performance when you rate it against all other classes of investments. All this data can be obtained at coinmarketcap.com. You can be able to check that. Now, how do you then earn in Bitcoin or in cryptocurrency? You can earn in cryptocurrency by trading or by investing. So when you are actually investing, you are seeking larger returns over an extended period through buying and holding. So that is basically it, you hold. Then there is trading. So crypto trading profits are generated by buying at low price and selling at higher price within relatively short period of time within the spot market. The reverse is also true. Trading profits can be made by selling at a higher price and buying to cover at a lower price, known as selling short in futures perpetual market to profit in falling markets. So it can be either manual or automated. Now, today we are talking about automated trades, automated trading that is being performed by a wonderful technology laid down by Odecent. And therefore, you do not have to worry whether you have experience or you do not have experience. You will be able to actually make money by exploring algo precision, where you trade smarter and not harder. And when you want to actually trade smarter and not harder, Odecent empowers you with algorithmic bots accessible to both newcomers and seasoned traders. So whether you are an amateur or a professional, Odecent is here to cover you. Now, what are the uniqueness of Odecent? It is safe and secure. Your capital, your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet in your control, on which Odecent doesn't have permission to withdraw or transfer. Then high precision. Odecent executes high probability trades only, therefore continuous income and profits are generated. And then your accounts, of course, runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you make consistent revenue even while you are at work, holiday, or asleep. Reliable and consistent. Bull and bear market doesn't matter. Then also we've got affiliate income. Now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Odecent. So for the purpose of this presentation, the content presented in this document should not be construed as an investment or financial advice, nor as a financial product, and should not be relied upon as such. Therefore, you are going to actually interact with information which should not be construed as financial advice. However, it is based on past results, and of course, past results cannot guarantee the future performance. Now, what are the market opportunities? Lack of time for many people, that is true. Lack of knowledge for some of the people, and others, lack of advanced tools. And Odecent now is giving you an opportunity to be actually able to take advantage of the market, whether you lack time or you have time, whether you lack knowledge, you've got knowledge, whether you have access to advanced tools or you don't. Odecent is here to give you a very easy way and seamless way to make from the financial markets. Therefore, Odecent is embracing AI to even out the playing field. So Odecent is offering AI-powered services that addresses the key challenges, and it is just following in the examples of big companies that are using AI like Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and all those. So they are just following in their footsteps. Therefore, for the first product or service that one of the digital product that Odecent has set in place is a trading bot called ProfitSlar. So this bot has AI strategies. It has got 40 active trading pairs, and it's been developed for the past 3 years, and it has got track record, and it also has dedicated team who continually develop more key features to ensure its efficiency and effectiveness in the market. When you check out the performance of ProfitSlar for the past, from these were results from October last year going back. The results from October coming to January have also been positive, and they are being documented. Therefore, you are actually going to receive more updated results from October up to January soon in the presentation, but the data is there. Results have been good, they have been positive. So from March 2024 up to October 2024, the lowest the bot ever made is 6.3%, while the highest was 24%. This is very good. It is beyond the money markets. It is beyond any industry that you want to name it. The profits were the highest. It is not easy to make high, consistent returns from, it's not easy to make. Most of the platforms that offer high returns, they end up not fulfilling. But here is a scenario where you're making high returns, you've got your money in Binance, safe and secure, and you are taking advantage of a bot that has been proven to be actually working and consistent. So you are able to actually connect your bot with Binance or KuCoin. Those are live now. Bybit, Mex, and all that are coming soon. Now, bot membership. If you want to take advantage of this bot, you can, if you want to take advantage of this bot, you can purchase a bot from minimum of $100 up to a maximum of $50,000. So bot of $100 will only be trading in the spot market. Bot of $500 and above will be trading both in futures and spot market. What are the differences? $100 bot will give you 3 live bots. Then membership validity is 40 weeks, and it can only trade a maximum of $1,000. What it means is, if you purchase a bot of $100, and you've got $2,000 in Binance, it will only trade $1,000. So it cannot trade more than 10 times the value of the bot you've purchased. But in terms of earnings, you can earn depending with the performance of the bot to the unlimited amounts. They are not targeting the maximum earning, but the bot cannot trade more than 10 times the value of the bot. So if you purchase a bot of $100, maximum is $1,000 it can trade. $500, $5,000 it can trade maximum, like that. So all of them have got its own advantages. So the bigger the bot, the more the services you'll be able to access, and the more the time in terms of validity. So like, for example, we've got a $5,000 bot, 10,000, 20,000, and finally 50,000 bot. Now, 50,000 bot will give you an opportunity to trade $500,000. Live APIs are 40, number of live bots 4, paper API connection 4, number of paper bots 40, validity 70 weeks. And this gives you algo future trading, algo spot trading, same, and then there is a bitrate screener. It gives you all those. We'll be checking them in a few. Now, for those people that do not have, the, or for some reason, there are those countries that have got very tough crypto regulations, like India, where when you make a transaction from Binance, taxes are so high. Some even countries do not allow futures trading in their countries. So for the purpose of those countries, and perhaps other few people that, or more people that do not want to deal so much with the board connection in Binance, monitoring all that, you have been offered one of the advanced tools membership we call ATM, where you can then deposit into the internal bot of the company, where you just deposit your money into the internal wallet of Odecent, and then you be able to actually make automated gains every week without you having to bother with how the markets have gone, what has the bot done, all that. So, and every week you get awarded with some automated gains. So in this case, you can actually purchase your ATM from as little as $100 up to $30,000. So $10,000 was the one by then, but right now has been increased to 30,000. Therefore, for every amount that you invest into Odecent, you are going to receive 2 to 3%. So an average of 3% per week. It can be more, but that's the average. For the purpose of working, for the purpose of computation, let's work with 3%. So every week, Odecent will be awarding you an average of 3% in your wallet when you invest into the internal wallet. Now, we've just finished the part where the bot will be trading for, trading for you, and you have your money in Binance. So the results will be dependent on what the bot does. Here is a scenario now you have deposited money into the company wallet, so into the internal wallet of Odecent. So Odecent will be trading their money in a pool and awarding out every single week an estimated 3%. Now, example is, if, for example, you have $1,000 invested, ATM, a 1,000, that is ATM for $1,000. You will be receiving about 20 to 30 points weekly, and you will be paid this for a total of 100 weeks. So the aim of Odecent is to pay you 3 times the value of the money that you've invested. So they will pay you every week regardless of whatever. In other words, you don't need to do anything. You deposit money into a pool where Odecent actually collects the money and puts into one pool and trades. So you will be paid 3% a week for a period of 100 weeks, which is 300%. So in other words, you will be paid 3 times the value of the money that you put in that particular passive investment model. So this is to favor those people who cannot access Binance, those who do not wish to actually partake in all those technical procedures, and you are able to actually make money automatically. So you get paid 3 times. So these 3 times can be within, up to maybe by 100 weeks, or within that period, meaning it can be even shorter than 100 weeks. The aim of the company is to pay you 3 times the value. So Leave your points in your wallet to maximize ATM and accumulate additional points. Now, should you then feel that these digital products by Odecent are good, and you would like to empower others to be able to actually make money, what is going to happen? Odecent will technically award you for being part of a global digital campaign program that are actually there to enhance the value of Odecent. So Odecent will have put in place a very good elaborate compensation plan to enable you make money without necessarily doing too much. So the message is simple. You try out one of the digital products, whether you want to try a bot, whether you want to try the arbitrage, whether you want to try the investment, and you end up loving it, then recommend someone, they try, they love it, and that is how we grow as a community. Because where there is something good, good information must flow and people must get value for it. So if you recommend someone to Odecent, you will be paid direct bonus. Then there are repurchase bonus, binary bonus, matching bonus, and rank bonus. Direct bonus is 10%. Matching, 10% of the value of the investment someone puts in the ATM. If someone purchases a bot to use on their own, you'll be paid 15% of the value they have used to purchase the bot. In case of repurchase, those are subsequent purchases, get 6% and on the ATM and 15% the bot. Remember these things, these commissions are paid immediately. They are paid immediately. They are paid immediately. Then there is what we call binary bonus. For the new people, binary bonus is a bonus that you are getting by having to place your people that you recommend to the business on the left and on the right side of your structure, a structure like this. So the volume that will be done on the left side, you and your team, not your own volume, you and your team, even the team of the person who sponsored you, the one on the right. So it's always compared. And at the end of the week, they tabulate. The side that has got weaker volume is where you will be paid up to 10%, depending with your rank. So you will be paid 10% of the side with weaker volume. So using this example, right side has got $10,000, left side has got $8,000. So the weaker side is the left side. So you get paid 10% of that, which is 800 points. Now, a point is equivalent to $1. So everything you see here, form of points, those are dollars. So if you get 800 points, you get $800. Then there is what we call matching bonus, paid weekly. This one you get paid money that your team earns. So if you have got a team that are earning binary every week, you will be paid 5% from level 1 up to level 4. So matching doesn't matter which side your leader is, as long as they are your referrals and they are in the genealogy, you'll be paid 5% from level 1 up to level 4. This is very, very powerful, and it is paid weekly, as indicated here. Then one thing that is good to mention, so an investor earns 3 times. The person who puts their money in the internal wallet where Odecent is trading, you earn 3 times. The person who is building team earns 6 times the value of their money. Then rank and rewards. These are the reward system, which is automatic. And it is what to note that, guys, these ones you read through the PDF. It is what to note that there is a current promotion. You make $10,000 on the weaker side, and you will be part of team that will be going for the office opening, or rather team manager. For you to make team manager, you just need 15,000 on the weaker side. You'll be part of people that are going for the grand office opening. And then on top of that, African market was given also a promo. When you make $10,000 on the weaker side, we will be having a pre-launch before the main office launch. So, and that promo is running between now and 28th of this month. So let's cheer up and do this. Now, I want to wind up and go to the practical side of Odecent. So just hold on if you have any questions. So let me go to the practical side because of time. Now, when you log into Odecent, there are two components. Now, there is the part of the bot. Now, the part of the bot is where you actually want to show you how we go to this part of the bot. Uh, Okay, so I'm on the part of the bot. Just wanted to log in. I don't know why it's slow turning in, but this is the part for the bot. When you click now activate bot, this is where it will actually bring you. So this is one of the unique things that I've ever seen. This particular section. Now, this bot is bought worth $10,000. What the subscription value is worth $10,000. And the fund bought allocation is $100,000. So the maximum it can trade in Binance is $100,000 or any other exchange. And there are a total of 4 exchanges and total live bots 18 and total paper bots 18. Now, this bot has got arbitrage. Now, the section for arbitrage gives you multi-exchange, same exchange, and decentralized. So this feature you are getting for free when you purchase certain volume of the bot. Now, what does this arbitrage does? It spots for you the opportunities where you can. Arbitrage is where you are able to buy one coin from one exchange and sell to the other. So it is able to spot for you opportunities and show you that if you engage in this trade, this and this is what you are likely to actually make. And it is live, it is real time. So you are able to see. Your work is to actually look at like this Ethereum Classic. Like if you go and buy right now on HIT BTC, it is at $11.3 and you are able to actually sell on Binance at 19.78. So if you are to do this, you make $8. In fact, this is crazy. I don't know if there is a problem here or it is true, but this is crazy. You make 8.5, which is around 75%. You see, it's being indicated here. I think someone should be able to try out that you buy Ethereum Classic on HIT BTC, then come and sell on Binance. You buy at 11, come and sell at 19. This is a unique opportunity. Not all of them has. Because like Ethereum here, let's say Bitcoin Cash, sorry, Bitcoin Cash is giving you an opportunity to make 0.23% if you put in money, buy and sell right now from Kraken to hit BTC. All this, you're able to see this. Link is giving you an opportunity to make 0.63% if you invest your money in it by buying from Bitfinex and sell in Bybit. So this is real-time data, guys. This is the arbitrage part. So it can be multi-exchange. As you can see, these are different exchanges: Binance, Kraken, HitBTC, Bybit, Bitfinex, all these Get.io. You see, so it is real. Whatever we are talking about is real, guys. It's not the theory. So you can do multi-exchange, same exchange, decentralized exchange. Then now, there is the part for bot, whereby if you've purchased the bot you want to connect, you can just come here, API credentials, and then you can do for testing, you can use paper connection. But if you've already funded money, you can then use live connection. So you just come to, for example, if you want to connect the spot market or the futures market. So if you want to do Binance market, which is futures, you just come and put API name, API key, secret key, then you choose the total investment. Now, this is what is going to happen. You'll need to go to Binance and create an API key. So how do you create an API key in Binance? It is as simple as this. There is a guide here. There is a guide here. You are able to actually use it and create a live API. There is a guide there. You can use it to actually create a live API. Check. It will open up. So it's a guide that you can use to open a live API. I don't know why it's not responding. So there is a video there, but I can actually send the video on the group just right away, and you can be able to follow through. So you are able to actually use the guide. So once you have created your API in Binance, which is a step-by-step guide, it's just simple. You come and put then, because you'll put an API name in Binance, API key, secret key, and total investment that you want to actually allocate to this bot, you will put here. If it is $1,000, all that. And then this is the recommended IP address. So you just come and copy it. You'll come and copy this IP address. Then you go and paste in Binance where you whitelist it to ensure that this is the only IP address that can access your account and trade this amount of money that you have allocated it. Then you just save. So it's as simple as that. And you will be connected. So from there, the bot will pick up its work and it will be active. So that is the procedure. Then another thing I wanted to talk about was, yeah, those are the basic things that you needed to know. So you just put those details and you'll be good. Now, if you've got any question, please you can shoot them up just to perhaps go back to the presentation. You are able to actually withdraw your money every Thursday. Withdrawals are processed every Thursday. Withdrawal takes up to 48 hours, but they, of course, they are being released by then. So the company promises, I mean, less, but it does more. So sometimes there could be delays, but at the end of the day, withdrawals come within that timeline. So please, if you've got any question so far, you can perhaps